Welcome back, everyone. Today we're going to be discussing a nice little scalp trade I was able to make in this uptrend market. It's really nice to be able to use a little bit of technical analysis, even if it's just a very simple strategy while we're seeing this extremely volatile times. And with this, what's most important to realize is using leverage. If you don't know how to use leverage, this can be a completely double-edged sword. But if you know how to use stop losses, know how to manage risk and minimize it. It can be something that's very, very powerful. It can be almost like a weapon in your arsenal. So just looking at the market over the past, this is on the 5 minute time frame, by the way. But if we just kind of zoom out a little bit, it's been pretty interesting. You see these dips and valleys pretty frequently, but overall we're pushing to the top. And if we zoom into my trade here, I was able to get in at right here under the 16,350. So I think I got it in around 16,300. And although this may not seem like a lot, how I was able to analyze this you have a bullish engulfing pattern right over here, where that circle was, and with a bullish engulfing pattern, what you can do is basically see after a red candle. So right here, after a red candle, what you want to look for is a larger green candle following that. So this can also work on um, a bearish engulfing pattern. So you could see here. Well, just for an example, let's change the color up here. You could see right. Here, let's move over a little bit. 1 second. You can see an example of a bearish engulfing candle. Let's see. Oh, right here. Um, right here. So right there would be an example of a bearish engulfing candle right there. And basically with these, what you can do is if you're looking at a 5 minute time frame, if you see one of these, that's a potential entry to a trade because if you get a bullish engulfing pattern, that means most likely it's going up. If on the 1 hour chart you're also bullish, so they have to match each other. If you get a candle like the one that I had, then you're able to enter in. So, like I said, I got in right over here, and that was a nice little entry point because on the 1 hour time frame we were bullish, and then this is right here is a bullish engulfing candle. So that's all good. And how you want to see this is I use leverage trading. So this was 20x leverage if I remember, and what I did was I just entered in at the market price. I was able to use this nice little scalp trade, and we can. I did not actually use a stop loss. I probably should have, but we could draw out a nice little long position here that I entered in. So let's say I got it right there. I probably would have set my stop loss somewhere like this, something like that. And then we zoom out a little bit. Probably I would set it. If you're gonna set a stop loss on this, you'd want to set it something a bit more like that. And just to make sure, just because these markets are so volatile. But I got out kind of quick just because, like I said, who knows what's going to happen at any time we can recorrect here. We've been green on the weekly candle for I think it's like 6 candles or something crazy like that, and we're due for recorrection here anytime unless we push up to massive levels. But as you see here, I took out profits right here at this pink circle, but I totally could have just gone right to the moon right there and drawn a nice little, definitely a higher profit. But I was pretty happy here. The reason I wanted to pull out profits was I did not set a stop loss. I could have, but it was a nice little scalp trade. Did it while I was just relaxing watching a little YouTube. So thank you very much. If you enjoyed kind of this breakdown of technical analysis and little trade formation, definitely leave us a comment and subscribe. We're trying to grow our channel. We're gonna do even more videos just than obviously like crypto trading stuff. But Invest Global is really about all kinds of investments on the global perspective. So thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this episode, please leave us a review and subscribe. Also, definitely let us know what you thought about it in the comments down below.